Rideshare Sean again. I'm on my way to Pinellas County. I'm just now leaving Manatee County. It's 12:46 p.m. Today is Thursday, July 20th, 2023. The main thing, there's a lot of things, but when you drive for Uber, when you accept requests, you have to look at that request and make sure it fits exactly what you want. Like, for example, like when I like big rides. I don't want to take a ride that's, less than 18 or 19 or $20 or whatever. That's a pretty big ride. The maximum right now I will go, I used to take rides that were, up in the 200 range, but now I just take rides. The maximum I will take is like a $60 ride. But you have to make that decision beforehand. You say, I don't want any rides more than $10. There's people that have, vehicles that aren't really good on gas. They don't want to take any big rides. They don't want to take anything above $5. Some people are like that. That's a decision that you have to make. It's your vehicle. You decide what rides to take and what rides not to take. So if they're on the rides that if it doesn't meet the criteria that I want, then I just decline it. So I might decline trips all day long and just accept one single trip, or I like trips that go to Tampa International Airport, because when you get to the airport, the people that's the only place that I stay online. The people that are just landing, they wrap the cost of that trip all up into the cost of flying. So when I go to Tampa International Airport and I drop somebody off, I just drive real slow all the way around until I get a request. And sometimes I get a request and sometimes I don't. Here's the deal with the request that I accept though. It could be going anywhere. It could be going further into Tampa. It could be going to Clearwater. It could be going, I picked up somebody there a couple times, and they flew into Tampa International Airport, and they really wanted to fly into Orlando International Airport, but for whatever reason, they decided, sometimes they don't have tickets, or they don't have, plane rides that go to where they want to go. So I picked them up and I take them to 2 hours north to Orlando. That happens sometimes. It can happen. You have to make that decision ahead of time, what you will and what you will not accept. And there are a lot of rides that, that I decline, because they don't fit my criteria. There are rides that do fit my criteria that I decline anyway, because I don't feel like going there right now. There's a lot of things that I decline based on me as the driver, what I'm thinking at that moment. So, most of the time, I like to take trips that are more than $20, and unless they're going to St. Petersburg downtown, then I'll take a ride for $10 to go downtown, and the same thing going back the other way. The thing is that the vehicle that you're driving belongs to you. It might belong to somebody in your family or whatever, but you as the driver have to make the decision about the request that you pull in and the request that you decline, and they're all based on your thoughts at that specific time.